Hi guys, today I am going to show you the unboxing of this cover. Today I got this from Amazon and it is a mini tripod. Let us open the seal of the product and see how the tripod is. So the seal is open and see how this in the bag. So nothing is there in the cover. So we are having a bill here. Let's see the cost of the tripod. The cost of the tripod is 1539. Okay, and here is the tripod. Manfrotto Mini Tripod. Here you can see it's the company name, Manfrotto PIXI Mini Tripod, designed in Italy. What about 2014? Let us see the back side of the pack. Here we are having the details of the product.
Compact system cameras, DSLRs with standard kit lens, compact cameras, iPhone.
So this tripod is compatible with the compact system cameras and DSLR cameras and phones, mobiles, compact cameras. Let us open this and see how it's working.
We are having pockets here. By using that, get this.
Other great manufacturer products. These are the manufacturer product list and some information about this. Let us take out the product. It was little bit of it. So this is the tripod. See the length of the tripod. It's just the size of my hand. Okay, and it is so strong. The material of this tripod is very strong. We can rotate the ball, this ball, by pressing this button. See. By pressing this button you can rotate the ball. Like that. Okay. We cannot extend these legs. So let us fit a camera to this. I am having a DSLR camera, Canon 700D. I am going to fit this on this tripod and I will show it to you now. You have to put, this is the screw. and we have to put here like this. Oh, it's so weight now. So see, it was handling. If we move, this was the moment. Now click the button and adjust the ball to downwards. So I kept it full to downwards. So it was moving a little. You have to change the direction of this. I had changed the direction of my camera towards the front leg and now it was not moving. See. This tripod is so strong. Now I will test with my 50 to 255 mm lens. I will test with this lens. This was big lens compared to that 18 mm lens. Now check out. I kept the big lens, but still it was very strong and was not moving. See, this is the small lens that I kept before. Now I am going to attach my mobile with this, with the help of this. And I will check how it's working. I am recording this. I will took 1 minute of video to show you how stable the tripod is.
You will get the video without shaking. It's 2 minutes video.
Now I will show you how we can use this. We can use this as a selfie stick also. See, mostly it will get the stable video. So you can hold this how long you can. We cannot hold the mobile like this for a long time, but we can hold the tripod like this and we can talk anything like this for a long time, because it gives some comfort to us, so our hands will not get any pain. Thank you for watching my video and please do subscribe. And next I will show you this one. I don't know what's inside this box. I will unbox this and I will put another video in our channel. Please do subscribe and keep supporting. Thank you.